Hi everyone, welcome. Thank you very much for joining me. I am Mike and this is IPO Market Watch / Bull Market Watch. Keep that in mind. You'll see why in the near future. With that being said, guys, if you're new, welcome. If you want a channel that talks about everything, all the stocks, ETFs, new ETFs coming out, right? If you want to know as much as possible about things that you might be interested in investing in, subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell, guys. So basically, guys, I'm going to show you in this video 3 exchange traded funds that have been destroying, killing the market, giving insane returns, and might just break records. Because I'll explain. Also, one stock, guys, one stock. So 3 ETFs plus one stock that I believe it's an under $7 stock. It's a $6 stock that I believe will do well going forward, and especially if we have a catalyst for that stock. So just a few days ago, we had the presidential debate, which I'm not going to go into it, in talk about it. You guys know it. You've seen the highlights, so whatever. I'm not taking any political sides because this is a channel that has to do with investing. Although I like comedy, I am a person who likes comedy, right? I like jokes, and there will be some jokes in this video. Don't take it towards any political side. I'm sorry, but it just, I can't help myself. All right, so you ever notice, like, you're investing, you're trying really hard, but some things just seem to go, slip under your nose, under the radar, whatever you want to call it. You just, what happened? You realize it after and you're like, what the heck? But it may not even be over, right? What am I talking about? Ticker symbol YALL. God Bless America ETF.
America is a nation that can be defined in a single word. I was in the foothills of the Himalayas with Xi Jinping.
So this is basically a video that's very bullish. It's going to show you things that are money makers, big time, proven money makers. Obviously, you do not invest according to my video in any way, shape, or form because, guys, you work hard for your money. You have different strategies. You have different needs, expenses, all that stuff. You have to take all that stuff into consideration. The fact that you worked hard for your money, so you have to do your own homework. All right, guys, so God Bless America ETF has been up 71.74%. Guys, 72%. It's up 72%, nearly 72% since it went public. It's at $34.42. It went public last year in 2023. You could have known about it in my Discord. Last year in 2022, October 2022, I said, guys, ticker symbol YALL is going public tomorrow. It's the God Bless America ETF. Supposedly, it will be comprised of only companies that believe in the greater good of America. Then I went on to say, yeah, and you know what? I said if, that was in 2022. I'm not predicting anything I said, but if Trump wins again, I think that it will take off.
Donald J. Trump is now President of the United States.
There goes that person again, and I can't say he, she, I don't know what pronouns they want, but damn, that person goes off when they hear anything about God bless or Trump. Anyways, I didn't predict that Trump is going to win. I said that if, which, by the way, this ETF didn't even wait for Trump to possibly win or not. It already took off and it's already up 72%. Guys, mark this ETF because I think it'll continue to go forward. And if I'm not saying that he will, but if Trump wins, I think that there's further upside, a lot further upside for this ETF. And if it does turn out to be true, like I think, this is going to be one of the best ETFs that has, come out in the past 2 or 3 years. All right, guys. So Point Bridge America ETF, ticker symbol MAGA. Guys, I didn't make up this, don't get mad at me. I didn't create this ETF, nor did I choose the ticker symbol, but that's what the ticker symbol is. Guys, this thing is up 76% since it went public. It's at $44.32. Whatever said about ticker symbol YALL, I think applies also to this one. Should there be a Trump win in November. American Conservative Values ETF, guys, ACVF, is up 70%. These three ETFs are killing it, guys. They're giving amazing returns. Now, guys, I'm not taking any political sides, like I said from the beginning of the video, because at the end of the day, I think that in many cases, it's a bipartisan effort, as much as they like to make you believe that it's not. But on the Democratic side, we also have some powerhouses, right? Some power hitters, and serving those Democratic investors also gratefully, like Nancy Pelosi. The Unusual Wealth Subversive Democratic Trading ETF, ticker symbol NANC. Nancy Pelosi is one of the greatest financial genius in history, because with her amazing mind, just using her what she has learned through the years in the world of finance, beating Warren Buffett and Charlie Munger. I mean, there should be countless encyclopedias written about how great she is at trading. And so this ETF tracks Nancy Pelosi. And if you track Nancy Pelosi through this ETF, you'd be up 44.8%. Ticker symbol NANC. All right, so let's go to the stock. Now, before I give you the $6 stock, guys, you have to understand that in my personal opinion, all right, I'm very bullish on the energy sector going forward, from now and going forward. In fact, historically, the energy sector has been very good in the month of July. But going forward, guys, for the next 1 year, I predict that the energy sector will do well. Granite Resources Incorporation, guys, ticker symbol GRNT. This is actually a stock that I gave today to my Discord members. So if you want to join us, if you want to join my Discord, the link will be in the comment section below. In my Discord, guys, I do not tolerate political, views or going after someone for what they believe in. If they have a certain religion or political and all that stuff. No, that you take that out of my Discord. Talk about it with your friends. In my Discord, it's all about stock market, right? So yeah, so that's that. If you want to join us, there's over 1,000 traders, and you also, by joining, you'll have access to tools like Dark Pool and all sorts of other tools that will help you trade better. So Granite Resources, guys, ticker symbol GRNT, is a very unique company, and one that I will explain the reasons why. Now it's at 634 as of pre-market. If we go and look at the SEC filings, so looking at the SEC filings for this company, and this is 1 week ago, going all the way back to 1 month, all this form for the past 1 month, guys. Do you see the number 4? This number 4 represents the S4 forms that have been filed with the SEC, meaning someone bought, sold, or whatever shares in this company. If you click on any of these, guys, any of these, and there's plenty the past 1 month, they're all purchases, right? With the code P. Insiders have been buying this stock, right? And yeah, if we go year to date, it's doing pretty well. It's up 4.46%. There's a lot of insider buying in this company. So I'm just going to show you very few examples, but purchased 2,000 shares at 654. Another one purchased 5,000 shares at 593. Someone else purchased 1,000 shares at 659. Now, Granite Resources operates as a non-operated oil and gas exploration and production company, right? Non-operated, guys. It owns a portfolio of wells and acreage across the Permian and other unconventional basins in the United States. So they're diversified upstream portfolios, so you can understand, like they have the Permian, they have the Eagle Ford. These are all the different properties, let's say, that they have across the United States. And the companies that are involved in using those are companies like ExxonMobil, Chevron, and many other companies, even Occidental Petroleum. There it goes, Occidental Petroleum. So Granite Resources, guys, the price target, now it's at 633 now. My price target for this company going forward towards by second quarter of 2025, this is just my price target, doesn't mean it's actually going to happen, just my opinion, is that the stock is going to hit $8. Now it's at 633 now. To hit $8, that's not bad. From 633 to that's not bad at all. In fact, what adds to this and makes it even better is that it has a 44-cent dividend. So not only will I stand to gain from the share going from 633 to 8, but I will also gain dividends. So that's awesome. Valuation is also very low for this stock right now. Their outlook is basically this for the shareholders. Shareholder-focused strategy to support their established and fixed dividend, 44 cents per share. They have a balance sheet and liquidity that is managed for volatility to allow investing through cycles. In fact, they're profitable. I'll show you in a little bit. Controlled capital strategy. Asset growth is driven by recycling cash flow in efficient near-term development. What else? Transitioning shareholder base through consistent active outreach to current and potential shareholders. If we look at from 2021 to 2023, they have positive earnings every year. The revenue in 2023 was $394 million. The total liabilities are $255. Total debt is just $110 million. That's not bad. Total assets are nearly $1 billion. Net income was positive $81 million. So with that being said, that concludes the video. That I gave you 3 ETFs that have been beating the market big time ever since they went public, and I think that they still can have possibly further growth ahead, and Granite Rich Resources, which I think is a stock that will do well, simply because I believe that the energy sector will be doing well over the next 12 months. And possibly if Trump wins, due to the fact that he consistently says that he is pro-energy, America independent, and more oil and all that stuff, I think that the stock stands to gain. So that's that. Let me know in the comment section below if you agree or not. And guys, I wish you the best. Take care.